Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the 8K video playback support test in the Mi11X device. As you can see, friends, the Mi11X has got the Snapdragon 870 chipset, and to play the 8K video footage, the phone should be having the very good powerful processor. Only then it will be able to play the 8K footage directly in the phone. So let's see, friends, whether the phone will be able to support the 8K video playback or not. And in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friend, and also make sure to like this video because it takes a lot of time and effort in making so many videos on one smartphone. So make sure to like and also share the videos with your friends in case if they are planning to buy any kind of smartphones. So let's get started, friends. Let me try to quickly open the MX player. So before opening the MX player, let me try to start playing this video in the default gallery application. So I am trying to use the default gallery application, friends, as you can see here. So let's see whether we will be able to play the default gallery application by using this kind of 8K video playback directly or not. So let me try to quickly start playing the video. As you can see, friends, the video is playing pretty smooth without any kind of issues. Even you can zoom in and zoom out as well. Even the sound is playing very good. As you can see, friends, the sound is also really good. So overall the playback is very smooth. So no issues in terms of playing the 8K video playback in this phone, in this Mi11X device. So with the Snapdragon 870 chipset. So even no need to even use the MX player as well. Just by using the default gallery application, you will be able to play the video directly footage, as you can see here. Even when I forward or backward, still the video is playing pretty smooth without any kind of issues, as you can see here, friends. As you can clearly see, no issues at all. So now let me try to use the MX player as well. As you can see here, friends, right now I'm playing the 8K video in the MX player. So you don't need to decrease any kind of decoders itself. So you can use software decoder or hardware decoder. I think hardware decoder is not supported, and the software decoder is also not supported, and the hardware plus decoder is not supported. Only software is supported at the moment, as you can see. So this is a coder if you want to know. So right now it was able to play very smooth, no issues, no problems at all in terms of playing the 8K video footage. I cannot see any kind of delay or lag while playing this kind of footage. It's perfectly alright, friends, and smooth as well. Let me show you the details about this video so you know exactly I'm playing the 8K video footage. As you can see, friends, the resolution 768x4320 and the video frame rates is at 29.9 FPS, as you can see here clearly. So alright, friends, this is a quick review of playing the 8K video footage in this phone. And the size of this 6-minute clip is about 1 GB of size. So it's a very huge size for the 8K video playback. So even when I forward or backward, still it was playing very smooth, as you can see here, friends. There's not much delay happening here, even when I forward or backward. And for more similar kind of videos, make sure to subscribe, and also don't forget to like this video, friends, and also share the videos with your friends in case if they're planning to buy any kind of smartphones. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.